The protocol pushback in North Carolina classrooms. Union County schools want certain contact tracing and quarantine policies gone. The school board, in fact, voting last night on a joint resolution with the Board of Commissioners. And this is a resolution to ask the state to remove some COVID protocols in schools by January 19th. Many Board of Education members say that the policies are forcing too many healthy children to stay home, and it's impacting their education, they say. The state, however, has said that the protocols are meant to keep kids safe in the classroom. As WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner explains, experts say these policies are still important tools in stopping the spread of COVID.
We've all learned a bit of science over the past 2 years. Close contacts and quarantines have become common in the classroom. And Union County officials want to change, asking the state to remove contact tracing and required quarantines. Union County Health Director Dennis Joyner acknowledging some adjustments will be necessary as we learn to live with COVID.
I recognize that not getting an education and not having the school support for many folks in our school system is going to create other issues and problems. But at the same time, I recognize we're dealing with, a pandemic, and we're trying to learn and adjust and protect everybody as much as possible.
Contact tracing has been a key part in controlling the spread of COVID. This red M&M is an infected person. If they come into contact with this group, and this group, then there's a chance they could all become red M&Ms.
If we can disrupt transmission, of course, that is always great. It particularly is important when we look at certain high-risk settings like long-term care facilities and in the educational setting.
Dr. Raynard Washington, the Deputy Health Director for Mecklenburg County, can't comment on any other counties, but says from a public health standpoint, contact tracing is still an important mitigation strategy.
COVID is here. It's with us. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. We need folks to get vaccinated. We need folks to wear masks when they're in high-risk settings, especially when they're indoors. And we need to continue those things to so that we can have kids in school.
Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.